Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers, 19th November 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in early career professions. Early career professions means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday, we will upload new employment opportunity for early career professions, and this week in this video, we have included 6 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is Siemens Energy Thane, mechanical developer at Siemens Energy Thane. About the company, Siemens AG is a German multinational conglomerate company and the largest industrial manufacturing company in Europe. The principal divisions of the company are industry, energy, healthcare, and infrastructure and cities, which represents the main activities of the company. In Siemens, a collection of over 3,79,000 minds building the future one day at a time in over 200 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job ID is 278520. Roles and responsibilities: ETO order processing for LV motors, creation of 3D models and drawing in NX, responsible for material master creation, BOM creation, documentation, design changes in LV motors, involvement in cost reduction projects, etc. Competency: strong knowledge of fundamental concepts in engineering, knowledge about design, manufacturing, assembly, application aspects of centrifugal pumps and induction motors through practical exposure, sound knowledge of NX function, interested in CAD CAM application, prime importance to business growth and development in work, etc. Role is mechanical developer. Function areas power, energy. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description and from there you can find out the links provided for this company, and if you press these links, you will redirect to the company website and you can apply from there itself. Next is Mercedes-Benz Bangalore. Vehicle After Sales Diagnostic Engineer at Mercedes-Benz R&D India Private Limited. Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of German Daimler AG founded in 1994. Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited are now one of the largest development centers outside of Germany, employing over 5,000 skilled engineers aside from being an integral part of all business units and brands of Daimler worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job ID is MER001FL3. Key tasks and responsibilities: diagnosis, data content development for the Mercedes-Benz after sales diagnostic tester, diagnosis task or routines, validation of diagnostic content of the various electronic systems, working in a global team to deliver diagnostic content in time with the defined quality, effective communication and coordination with various stakeholders, etc. Qualification is bachelor's degree in mechanical or automobile or mechatronics. Role is vehicle diagnostic engineer. Functional area is automobile. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen or can apply through the email as shown on screen. Fresher mechanical engineers also can apply for the post of as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Biofy Bangalore. Mechanical Design Engineer Internship at Biofy Bangalore. Biofy Medical Healthcare India Private Limited is an innovation-driven company focused on building a comprehensive ecosystem of products that radically change the way healthcare and hygiene are managed. After 6 months of internship, you will get an opportunity to join Biofy as a permanent employee based on your performance and evaluation. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2022 batch students. Job description summary. Individuals will perform technically work applying basic engineering design, analytical theory, principles, techniques, and practices for design and development of UV and IR based products. Internship will receive mentoring and technical guidance from senior engineering staff. Roles and responsibilities: support product design team and senior engineering personnel in design, development, and selection of mechanical components using fundamental mechanical engineering principles, theories, and practices. Perform tolerance and basic static analysis of mechanical structures. Obtain working knowledge of company standard analysis tools. Compile data for investigation by senior design personnel. Generate and review the technical content of drawing, engineering specifications and reports, and other documentation associated with mechanical designs, etc. Required qualification: must be currently enrolled in an undergraduate or graduate degree program for mechanical engineering, must have completed the equivalent of junior year of an undergraduate engineering program. Good communication skill, verbal and written, proficiency in Microsoft Office products. Role is mechanical design engineer internship. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is L&T Technology Services, Bangalore. Mechanical engineer at L&T Technology Services, Bangalore. L&T Technology Services is an engineering service company based in Vadodara, Gujarat. L&T Technology Services was founded in 2009 as L&T Integrated Engineering Service. It began to expand its engineering services as a developer of new technology solutions for other companies under new brand L&T Technology Service. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Job ID is 5871742110. Job description: graduate in mechanical engineering, BE or BTech in production or mechanical, a good knowledge of mechanical fundamentals and drawing standards, having good capability to read and understand the drawing and BOM, capability to estimate efforts and duration required to complete the task, a good knowledge of engineering change management process, good communication skill and proven ability to work in a team environment, etc. Role is mechanical engineer. Function area is engineering service company. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is ABB Bangalore. Commissioning engineer at ABB India Limited, Bangalore. ABB India Limited is a Swiss multinational corporation operating mainly in robotics, power, heavy electrical equipment, and automation technology areas. It is ranked 341st in the Fortune Global 500 list of 2018 and has been Global Fortune 500 company for 24 years. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Publication ID is IN80339120E1. Job description: this is a commissioning engineering role, reporting to the operation manager in business area robotics and discrete automation located in Bangalore. You will be responsible for installing and programming of paint, robot and process equipment, etc. Role and responsibility: installing and programming of paint, robot and process equipment, working at front face with the customer to meet the project deliverables, preparing site report and schedules, coordinating with the controls team and project or site managers and preparing documentation, etc. Experience required: bachelor's or diploma in mechanical or chemical engineering or paint technology, minimum 0 to 2 years of experience in commissioning of robots, hands-on experience with ABB paint robots, experience at working on-site in customer place, basic knowledge on controls and PLC, strong team player and contribute technical expertise, etc. Role is commissioning engineer. Functional areas heavy electrical equipment. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website shown on screen. Next is JLL International Corporation, Mumbai. Engineering executive at JLL, Mumbai. JLL is a leading professional service firm that specializes in real estate and investment management. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is RUQ 180752. Job duties. In the role, you will be our go-to buy when it becomes managing our site daily operations and technical issues, providing effective solutions whenever difficulties arise. You will also make sure that all essential site activities, including the maintenance and electrical maintenance, mechanical, chemical, fire protection system, and equipment, are performed in the safe and efficient manner. Your expertise in critical environment procedures may also help you to land this job. Role is engineering executive, functional areas real estate and investment management. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.